A Channel 9 investigation into a senior care company is expanding once again.
That's right. A family is now suing Affinity Living Group after the death of a loved one. Now, this is the same group that operates about 20 facilities in the Charlotte region. We've told you about its issues with regulators and lawsuits.
And now Channel 9's Tina Terry spoke with one sister who was taking them to court. Tina, she's heartbroken and says if her brother had received better care, he might still be alive.
Yeah, that's right. Anthony Wilson lived here at the park at Sharon Amity for more than a decade. But this summer, he was rushed away from the facility here and taken to the hospital where he died. In a lawsuit, attorneys claim negligence here caused his death.
Just that smile was contagious.
Melissa Hudson will forever remember her brother's bright smile. Anthony Leon Wilson lived here at the park at Sharon Amity in East Charlotte for more than a decade. The Affinity Living Group facility specializes in memory care.
He had a brain injury.
She vividly remembers the last time she spent with him.
He said, "See you tomorrow." That was his favorite saying. When I got that call Sunday morning, I couldn't believe it.
This wrongful death lawsuit says staff members collecting trash from his room discovered him suffering from a seizure. It says the proper administration of his seizure medication was required to prevent a significant seizure event. It claims, among other things, that the facility failed to follow physicians' orders promptly and correctly, and that its negligence resulted in his death.
How did this happen? Why did this happen?
And about 20 minutes ago, I received a statement from Affinity Living. Usually they don't comment on pending litigation, but in this case, they said that medical records show that medications were administered by Park at Sharon Amity to the resident involved as ordered by the treating physician. They said that they plan to vigorously defend themselves in this matter. Back to you guys at the desk.
Our Tina Terry live tonight. Thank you, Tina. You know, Channel 9 has investigated this senior living company for a variety of reasons over the years. They operate 17 facilities just in the Charlotte area. In June, dozens of senior citizens were moved away from Mint Hill Senior Living for months after the county ordered an emergency evacuation, saying the building was unsafe. Tonight, Affinity told us the building has passed inspections and they are all moving back in at this point. In October, we told you a report from state health inspectors found several violations at Easttown. They say it failed to assure proper staffing to meet the needs of residents, putting them at substantial risk for harm and neglect. Their admissions were suspended by the state, but tonight Affinity told us those problems have been resolved and they are able to accept new clients again. And A Place for Mom, which refers people to senior living care facilities, is suing Affinity Living Group. They claim that Affinity has not paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in referral fees. In the lawsuit, A Place for Mom says they terminated their agreement with Affinity because of that. Affinity would not comment on the lawsuit.